Today is August 7th, and I'm solving with Ulysses. All right, I'm starting the stopwatch.
Okay, so 10 letters.
What are the two words in the first sentence? Can you click those and see how many letters?
Yeah, 10 and 10.
Okay, so that doesn't tell us whether it's the first word or the second word, so we don't have the hint of the vowel.
So N blank blank is a is blank a blank blank blank. It's a hyphenated word. 5 5.
Maybe the first 5 5
Yeah,
was invented in the. Could that word be invented? No.
no. Invented, discovered, no. Uh, Founded,
Yeah, founded.
another hyphenated word. And this one, something in.
Built in? It seems to be like a thing, and I
Yeah,
guess it can have a built-in component. In the next sentence, I think it says by the end of the somethingth century. Can you just check that that's a
yeah.
seven-letter word after
The
somethingth?
end of the,
No.
yeah. By the end of something something. Something percentage.
Yeah, so down there, I was looking there. It looks like by some year, something had increased. Can you check it? How long is that increased word? No, increased
Increase
and
is
decreased
9.
are nine
Yeah.
letters, but to more than some percent or to less than some
Less
percent.
than, yeah. Consumption?
No, it's 11.
Yeah. Oh, whoops. No. I thought that was a reveal, but it wasn't. Yeah.
Maybe it's like an estimated some two-digit percent of the world's.
But it's strange. It must be 0 point something, right? Or like it's a lot. It's a lot of precision.
Oh, that's true. Um, but in the previous sentence, it looks like in some year, um, an estimated two-digit percent of the world's.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to keep going? Maybe we'll find some hints of like whether there's. Is this mathematical?
What do you think these numbers and or these things in parentheses are?
I don't know.
This is as some fraction.
So I'm not. I think Redactle Unlimited might sometimes render a dash as a slash.
Okay. Lift off
Oh yeah, it could be. Or sign off.
in 7 8 blank blank blank.
There's a per, like, is measured in something something per something. Yeah, measured
Yeah.
in
Uh,
capita.
yeah, because it's not 100 million. Could be, yeah,
Well, I mean, it could be gallon.
yeah.
Can you scroll down more? The next set of bullet points look maybe like they have. The spacing around the comma makes it look like there's something that didn't get rendered.
Here.
Uh,
Here.
yeah,
Here.
right there.
There's also something strange here, right?
Oh, yeah, that also.
The structure of this list is kind of weird. But there's a lot of semicolons.
Mm-hmm. Can you go down a bit more? Maybe let's just try to like quickly glance at the whole article and then go back
Yeah.
to to like the sections that seem most likely to have a hint. Overfishing, overconsumption.
Yeah. Something to the blank blank. There's a title here or something.
Mm-hmm.
Right. The italics. Something of something something.
Oh, something dash A. That do you see the dash capital A?
Yeah. Yeah, but what would that be? 2 letters dash A. EU.
Where?
With this
Oh,
by
by the
the
U.S.
yeah, by the US.
Oh, wait, plus under the
Dollar.
names plus and. Do you see where it says like under the blank, but probably names plus and something else?
Uh-huh.
Premium maybe.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if it's like that sounds like an automobile or something.
Mm-hmm.
Automobile fits, right? It's like so, something automobile.
These are four-digit numbers of dollars? Oh, wait. There's some unit. There's a different unit of currency right before the dollars.
The dollar.
Um, there's a dollars in parens,
Yeah.
so there must be some other unit.
And like 3. So is this a enormous number in some currency?
Yeah, 6-digit number.
Sounds, I don't know, Korean currency maybe. Korean currency is roughly a factor of 100 to the dollar. I don't know what this would be.
Oh, if then else.
If then else, yeah. What what would that designate though? I mean, that seems like in all caps, right? That seems,
That looks like computer instructions then. But I was
yeah,
thinking that this was something not related to computers.
same.
I was thinking it was some like mechanical object, but maybe
This is also, I don't know, these all look strange, right?
could those be chemical formulae?
Potentially. Are these, do you think these are subscripts?
No,
The one?
subscripts would show up as subscripts.
Okay. Then I would say unlikely.
Oh, there's a pound sign.
Pounds, yeah. So for around less than 100 pounds at the time,
You think it's a calculator? An electronic calculator?
maybe during liftoff,
Wait, do you
maybe.
see the plus? The something plus. Wait, where did it go? Here at the top, towards the top of your screen? Like 1
Yeah.
plus 1.
A
So maybe this actually is, like, maybe this is talking about.
instruction.
Well, instruction would take an.
Yeah, yeah. A
Maybe this is talking about, like, Polish notation versus, like, infix notation. Can you just quickly go to the bottom, like, see if there's anything that we're missing? And then I think I would like to go back to the top and see if calculator could.
yeah. There's several more titles here. These are like occurrences in media or something.
Yeah, or even just a bibliography.
So, calculator
So what would this first sentence be? Like, an electronic calculator.
is a
No, is
is primarily, and it's some sort of adverb, right?
Primary. Yeah, that would fit. I think the word before to is used. What's the word right before that? Right before used?
Could be device.
Yeah, I think it's device. Yeah, I was counting device. And what's right before? Wait, it's used to what?
Compute.
Calculate is 9 letters. Is there a
Compute.
used to compute? Yeah, compute what? Arithmetic is 10. Oh, like ranging from simple arithmetic to complex something.
Yeah, ranging from
Well, it can't
not
be.
not simple, but basic
Mm-hmm. Arithmetic
arithmetic
to
to complex or
complex, although that's a strange word to put in a math article that's not actually about complex.
operations,
That's 10 letters.
calculations.
Isn't that 12? Maybe just calculation?
Yeah.
The first. Do you think the word. Can we find the word adding machine? Adding is 6. Machine is 7. If we can find like a 6, 7 that it descends from, or for function, if we can find that. So for function is 4, 8. Okay, so actually calculators do have like built-in.
Yeah, built-in something. Built-in function.
I think it needs
No.
to be plural.
Built-in graphing.
Keyboard, but it
Keyboard.
probably should be plural.
There's a 6, 7.
But what do you think is the word right before it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Later in that sentence, was there a 6, 7?
Doesn't look like it.
Do you want to scroll down a bit? Maybe there are like types of calculators. Maybe we can find TI-84 plus. Oh, maybe that's what the plus was. Plus and silver, Silver.
Mhm.
No, it was 7 letters, the other thing.
Under the names plus. This is 4.
Can we find Texas Instruments? That would be 511.
So this is something of electronic calculators.
Development?
Yeah.
I'm just looking for like things that we can confirm and say like, aha, this must be it. And I don't know anything about like the early history other than adding machines. But if we can find something that's like Texas Instruments or for function or TI-83 something
Yeah.
like that, then I'd be like, that would confirm the hypothesis.
The TI something.
Oh, does Texas Instruments fit there? No.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, for function is FOUR is 4, FUNCTION is 8.
5 9. This one fits here.
Yeah, but it doesn't really fit in the sentence.
Yeah.
They were super expensive, and then they got cheaper, maybe, although there's kind of a cartel. I think this is still talking about like the advent of being able to like type in 1 plus 1 rather than like
Mm-hmm.
something more programmatic or something like, like 1 comma 1 comma plus.
Yeah. What do you think this is?
I don't know. It could be like Polish notation and reverse Polish notation.
Maybe. I don't know. A lot of these are starting to look like TI 80 series, right?
Yeah, they
Maybe
could be a lot of things, but yes.
by the end of.
We would see the word plus more, I think.
Like graphing.
8 letters
This could be dominant.
by the end of 1999. Yeah. The TI-83 was dominant by the end of some year.
It was something the next year.
Followed
Yeah.
by the TI, 91. I think these are still much lower. I think these are probably like the TI-30. This feels like it's still early in the development.
I think if this hypothesis is correct, we should be seeing Texas Instruments a lot.
More than just once. So 511. Like, I think we might only see it at the beginning of.
What would this section heading be?
Do you want to try Control Fing for 5 blank space? I don't know if you can even do that.
For what?
No, like, so copy five redacted things.
Oh, I see. It's not 5.
Did that, and then
Works.
space, and then paste it again twice, or 3 times, and then delete it 4 times. So you get 11.
Yeah.
And then maybe another space, or a comma.
Does that work?
I can't really tell what it's showing.
I think it's, but it doesn't. It will also find everything. Yeah. Okay. So we need like a space before.
You need a leading space, yeah.
There we go. But I think it still includes for some reason.
But I think that's correct. Texas Instruments would fit there, right?
Yeah. Okay. I see.
Does it only have 2 occurrences in the whole article? No.
No. Let's look for the first one. Texas Instruments. Okay. So if it's Texas Instruments in whatever year, company or manufacturer, Texas Instruments. No.
Yeah, there needs to be a verb, but it does seem like
giving. Maybe it's something like giving Texas Instruments
and percent of the world's market share,
Yeah.
but
and what though? And
but there's no verb. There needs to be a verb before the and.
Yeah.
But it does occur here. Like, I don't think we need to rule out calculator just because Texas Instruments occurs too infrequently.
No, this pattern occurs a lot. 27 times.
Oh, all right, great. But here, it's clearly not correct. Like, it's not Texas Instruments in this instance.
Yeah.
Can you Control F for what would be for function? So 4 dash 8 with a dash in the middle and a space at the end.
6 occurrences.
The rise of the dominant for function, but what's after that? Calculator? Device?
The for function something calculator. Led. No.
Was
something to.
Was reduced of the standard for function.
Yeah, standard makes sense. Let's look at the next one. Simple for function calculator.
Mm-hmm. Maybe these are the steps of literally how to input your numbers.
To compute the calculation. Do something the calculation.
Mm-hmm.
Perform.
Yeah, I think I'd be okay to guess calculator here.
You think so?
Oh, are you not okay with that?
I don't know. I think your intuition for the relationship between evidence and correctness is much stronger than mine in this.
So well, what are your what's your
No, I think it's definitely a calculator. I think that's right.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Then why were you like surprised that I was willing?
Because I thought that the burden for evidence for you is very, very high. Okay.
Um,
Should we guess it?
well, what else could it be?
I think that has to be it.
Yeah, I think that has to be it. We have, yeah. I mean, once you can construct the first sentence,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, go ahead. Nice.
Amazing.
Good job.